Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Can you use Alexa as a wired speaker? Since the Echo Dot does not have an input option, you can't use it as a wired speaker. As stated earlier, though, you can use the Echo Dot to plug into another speaker for better sound quality, or if your other speaker is not Bluetooth or does not have Wi-Fi capabilities. Does Alexa have an audio output? Adjust flash briefing. Alexa will play up-to-date news from most major news sources. If you want the full Alexa experience, you're in luck. The Echo Dot features audio out, meaning you're just a 3.5mm audio cable away from making your home's very best speaker a smart one. Does Echo Dot have an aux port? Echo is Bluetooth compatible and will play your Amazon Prime Music and playlists. It will also play any music you have on a Bluetooth-compatible device such as your phone. No, but you can now buy the Echo Dot, which does have an aux out. Can I use Echo as external speaker? You can set up an external speaker with virtually any of Amazon's Alexa-driven devices, but the Dot is really the one that needs it. If you have an Echo Dot and want to connect it to another speaker, you can plug in an external speaker or connect one via Bluetooth.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.